Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today we are here in the beautiful city of Las Vegas, Nevada, located here on the south side of the Las Vegas Valley. Right there's my man Rudy. Give him a quick shout out. He's a hard-working employee. That's right. I don't want to call him an employee because he's technically not an employee. He's actually an independent contractor that I've hired. Okay, so basically he's on payroll, but he works with me for pretty much full time. Hopefully one day, I don't know, 3 days a week, is that really full time? I don't know. Sometimes he does 4 days a week. Anyway, now I'm just yapping it up because I'm just trying to have some fun. All right, so today we're in this neighborhood called, what's the name of this neighborhood? I just lost my train of thought. It's Silverado Ranch Valley, okay? Now, this right here, Kingsbury, the base price on here is $408,990. It features 2,051 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. So let's get right into it. Let's see what this property has to offer. A couple things. It does have a solar panel. That does come with it. And you do have your, oh, there it is, your pest control system right here that's connected. You got gas meter, you already have the cable, you got the power, your solar sensors here for your coach lights, you got your double stacks, not even your double stacks, you big dummy, you got your veneer stack, what is this called? What is this called? I just lost my train of thought. Veneer stone. Okay, so the home does come with a smart automated system. We talked about that. You do have the ring and also the Yale touchpad. I'm going to show you how this works. Basically what you do is you hit the number 2724. That gets you into all the properties here. Now guys, did you really think I was going to give you the code? Come on now, y'all tripping. Wow, look at this floor plan. HOAs are $57 a month. I think there's about 127 lots. You do have 4 collections, 4 series. This is the Crest collection. I definitely do love the wood floors here, but they're not wood. They're the look-alike wood. Now, one thing when it comes to flooring, depending on the manufacturer of the flooring, you need to find out, depending on the length, especially when you start getting into custom homes, when you're doing 24 by 48, right? When you do a 6-inch stagger, 12-inch stagger, or a 24-inch stagger, you may not be able to do that because that tile is not rated for that. You can literally crack that tile, okay? And a lot of times now with the grouts, they do make the grout sealer inside the grout. However, it's not that great. It does not last that long. So you're gonna have to probably do that every single year. Even the granite countertops here, you're always gonna have to seal it with the backsplash too as well, believe it or not, okay? Now let's take a look here. Beautiful cabinets. Now, not bad on a granite. This is a nice long island. Wow, this is just gorgeous. Look at that. I'm gonna give you a different perspective here. All right. Ooh, I just burped. Burped on camera, and I do apologize. Very rude of me. What do we got here? So this would be your pantry. You have a total of 5 shelves. 6-panel door. Very light. I could literally punch my pinky right through it. 2-car garage right here, and you have your half bath right off the dining or the kitchen. Now, one thing I noticed by having a bathroom right there, when you have guests over, if they're gonna make a number 2, make sure they go upstairs, because there was times where I used to go parties at my friend's house or the family's house, and they had a bathroom right next to the kitchen. When someone make a doo-doo, oh my god, it was so stink up the whole house, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to go upstairs and do that. Now let's see what we got over here. 9-foot ceilings. Definitely, I would say, Traverse LED lights. A lot of builders are doing the LED lights. Now with this Traverse LED lights, you don't leave the can. You basically take the whole can off and the light, because it's an LED light. Once it goes, the whole thing is dead. You have an 8-foot slide right? This home is equipped with Sting system alarm system. Love the cover patio here with the pavers. However, you're not gonna get that backyard there. This is a pretty deep backyard. Okay. You got your dining. Now let's go upstairs. Let's see what we got upstairs. Now, when it comes to picking your carpets and your pad, there are certain carpets that is for pets. Also, the pad too as well. So it's all case by case basis. Wow, this is just like one hallway. Look at this. One little hallway. Now I was being nosy. I was looking outside. Wow, look at this. Kyle, if you're watching this video, let me know. Pretty decent size room for sure. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Dr. Zeus, didn't they have a problem with that? Some controversial thing? I think I seen that in the news. Again, you got your transfer grill. Let's come down this long hallway here. The linen closet. At your bathroom. Now, one thing I want you to take a look at is the models, okay? Now, if the models, you see blemishes, now when they start doing your house, guarantee you will run into some problems for sure. But also keep in mind, people are coming in and out of the models too as well. But overall, I mean, this is a pretty clean home. They did a really good job as far as putting it together. Now also, can you pick apart a home? Yes, you can. It's just how nitty gritty you want to get to. Do you know what I mean? For me, it's more for like structural items and just things that are just the obvious where it's going to cost money to fix. Let's come into the laundry room. The light should automatically kick on. Watch this. Bam. See? Uh-oh. I'm losing my mojo. Losing my mojo. I was like so on it. Definitely on it. Also, one thing that I want you to be aware of when you're picking a lot, everything is built on terrace, right? I think that's how you pronounce it. Let me know in the comments below. I'm probably not saying it that well. But anyway, homes are built on levels. So you have one level here, one level here, one level here. You always want to be on the highest level, because if not, then all the water is going to run down into your property. Then what happens is you should probably seal your walls, your retaining walls. But also, even though that you seal it, right? And this is what builders don't do. The dominant lot, they don't put a felt or a plastic felt that covers the wall, so that way the water penetrates through the block. I wish they would do that. I don't know why they don't. Now, it is required depending on how high the wall is, the retaining wall. But then what happens is you start to get that calcium buildup, and it just like really corrodes the block. I'm going through that right now with my neighbor, but it's just gone to the point where I'm like, forget it. Because the problem is that when you buy in a common community interest, right? You have your dividing wall here. You guys share the wall. If something happens to the wall, you guys are both responsible for the wall. But then what happens if this owner, right, the lot is higher and it's ruining yours? So the best thing to do is take a note, send pictures, and send everything to the HOA, and also send the neighbor a certified letter from your attorney. That's what I did. So that's why I'm not even worried about it, because later on, if something does happen where the wall is already collapsing, then they're going to have to pay and fork up the bill. So that's how you prepare yourself. Oh, we looked at the water closet. Got the thermostat here. Okay. Oh, this is not that long of a video though. Alright, let's come on down. Oh yeah. Alright folks. We got one more video tour to do and I gotta head back to the office. If you guys want more information about this property or any Lennar products, I have the connection. I got the hookups. That's right, no joke. I got the hookups. That's how we do it. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And you guys have a blessed day. Be blessed, folks.